Early in the morning, the owner puts out honey water and bananas, transforming this restaurant high up in the mountain into a gathering place for birds of all colors, shapes, and sizes. The restaurant is built around the middle or at the top of the mountain ranges. The forests here are covered with low-hanging clouds. The layers of fog so thick sometimes that the sun can't break the cloud barriers, giving trees and plants a chance to soak up the rich moisture and grow really tall. The most dazzling existence here are the purple-throated, blue-throated, and white-throated mountain gem. Their feathers as crystal mosaics, shimmering in the play of light and shadow. Their flashing colors are used to attract mates and make it harder for predators to pinpoint their position. The male and female flamed colored tanagers both bear the romantic colors of autumn. The male rendered the color of fallen leaves. The female tinted the shade of soft sunlight. The emerald toucan has a piece of blue sky imprinted on its throat. It's very fashionable. The acorn woodpecker does a smoky eye makeup every day. The clay-colored thrust is the Costa Rica national bird. This one is really careful while eating, constantly scanning its surroundings for predators and other dangers. The threatening movement with the wing may be a sign of warding off rivals. In a world that moves too fast, a bird's quiet flight reminds us of what we miss when we don't pause and look around. Beauty in nature has always been there. You just have to find it.